Good morning to all of you. Today's online class is Social Science Money. Let us meet the bank manager. What is the meaning of money? And what are the roles of banks and other financial institutions in developing the country? One video I have put of economic development. All of you watch that videos to learn about economic development. Without money, economic development will not happen. That is where the banks give an important role for the development of the country. In this video, we are meeting a bank manager. Let us hear what she has to tell about this. Before that, let me remind you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. മാർച്ചിലെ എൻഡിങ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്?
മാർച്ചാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട മാസം. ബാങ്കിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അധികം ബാങ്ക് ലാഭത്തിലാകണം എന്നുള്ള ഇതിൽ തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ മാർച്ചിലത്തെ ഫിഗറിനെ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബാങ്കിൻ്റെ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ ക്ലോസിംഗ് വരുന്നത്. ബാങ്ക് ലാഭത്തിലാകുന്നത് മാർച്ച് 31 നമ്മുടെ ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ പൊസിഷനെ ആശ്രയിച്ചാണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കുടിശ്ശിക കുറയ്ക്കാനും എല്ലാ കുടിശ്ശികക്കാരെ കൊണ്ട് ലോൺ അടപ്പിച്ച് NPA സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ആക്കാനുമാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നത്.
എൻ്റെ കൂട്ടുകാരി ആൻസി ബാങ്ക് മാനേജറാണ്. ബാങ്ക് മാനേജറുടെ ക്യാബിൻ എൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ ഓഫ് മണി? Money can be defined as anything that perform the function of money. That means money is a medium, a measure, a standard, a store, and a unit of account. We can little bit elaborate it saying as money is a medium of exchange. In the barter system, one consumer item is exchanged in the place of another consumer item. There was no money that time. One item will be given to another person. That person will exchange another commodity. This system is called as barter system. Later, money came. We buy a commodity, and exchange of that we give some money. Money was made as coins, currencies, and bank money. In the video, the bank manager explained about the role of banks in development of the country as well as loan repayment. We will go in detail about the functions of the bank. RBI is India's central bank. Reserve Bank of India is India's central bank. All financial institutions of the country is under the Reserve Bank. The nation will have only one central bank. The central bank is owned by the central government. The right to print and distribute currency is vested only on the central bank. Thus, the headquarters of RBI is in Mumbai. Commercial banks are the banks which fulfill the needs of individuals as well as entrepreneurships. Entrepreneurship is an organization which deal with any production of the country. Entrepreneur is the person who is running the entrepreneurship. For running the entrepreneurship, money is needed for the capital as well as day-to-day activities. From where the money is obtained? Money can be obtained from the banks, commercial banks. Different types of loans are provided by the commercial banks, and it is the credit finance given by the bank. The loan is given for a specific purpose for a specific period. Overdraft is another thing the banks provide. The businessman is allowed to take excess money from his current account as overdraft. For that, he has to give the particular interest. Cash credit. This is a form of lending which helps in acquisition of asset necessary for a business. You have to visit a bank and inquire about the facilities given under this scheme. Coins and currency notes are known as legal tender money, and bank money is known as non-legal tender money. The bank can be defined as a financial institution which provide opportunity to withdraw money from deposits using checks. Other financial institutions are called as non-banking financial institutions. Damage to property, building, business equipment, and life is covered by the insurance. Policy. Policy is an document agreement between the insurance company and the person taking the insurance. Damages to the properties are covered by the general insurance, and life loss is covered by the life insurance. All of you watch all my videos completely and subscribe also.